Hello fun and student of class 9th. In previous videos, we have discussed India, location of India, some important information I have given you about India, two time zone, problem associated with it I have given you, and some important information regarding the physical feature of India I have given you. Now in this video, we will discuss India and the world, trade and cultural relationship, India's trade and cultural relationship with world. So we will discuss these topics in this video. Now, India and the world. Now, India is located in the extreme southern part of the Asian continent. See here, it's the extreme southern part of the Asian continent, and in the southern region, we will have an Indian Ocean. Now, see the map 115 in your book. See the international highway of trade and commerce, and these are the routes of trade route of the world is showing in this map. Now just by seeing this map, you can easily understand the importance of India, that the major important trade route is passing through India or has an important strategic location of India. Now talking about the old world, the location of India in the old world is unsurpassed by any other country of the region. The old world included the countries of East Africa, Southwest Asia, South Asia and Southeast Asia. India has a central location between East Asia and West Asia. This is a strategic and important location of India that we were holding in the old world. But now today as well, but just by seeing the map, you see how much importance we are having in the trade route. Next is your trade and cultural relationship. Now what is it? Just take it. India in the past had established close trade and cultural relation with Europe, Africa and West Asia from the western coast of India, and with Southeast Asia and East Asia from the eastern coast of India. Our country has the longest coastline along the Indian Ocean. So this is the strategic and prominent location of India justify one important ocean after it, that is your Indian Ocean. The land routes of India have greatly helped in trading of goods and exchange of ideas since ancient time, and the Trans-Indian Ocean route between Europe and East Asia has made the location of our country India strategic in this region. The Indian traders, with their consignment of spices, gold, silk, precious stone and cotton textile, traveled to far-off places like China, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia in the east, and the Arabian, Persia, Egypt, Turkey, Greece and Rome in the west. So one can see the influence of Greek sculpture very easily, and the concept of domes and minarets from the West Asia and the monuments in India. So this is why we are seeing, because we had established a very strong trade and cultural relationship with our neighbor from east to west. We have established a very strong trade and cultural relationship. So I think you have understood this topic, that India, where it is located, how much significant we as a country hold for the world in terms of trade and commerce and trade and cultural relationship from past to present, what the strategic point India is sharing in the world. In next video we will discuss another important topics. So thank you student, thank you very much.